Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kitty, and for my original subscribers, I want to say that no, my videos are not going to be only DIYs like this. I am still going to do some makeup videos, some sit down talking videos, story times, and so on, and other types of DIYs. My channel is a girl talk channel, so it's like girly topics, so it's a little bit of everything. So if you join my channel just for one specific video, just stick around because I will have more videos like it. So as for today, I am doing another DIY hand sanitizer, like a different recipe, because as you guys know, everyone's having a hard time finding hand sanitizers and even aloe to make my previous recipe for hand sanitizer. So this is a quick and easy one. You don't really need essential oils, but it does come in handy because it adds on to the benefits. So let's get right to this video. So all you need is an empty bottle, which this is the bottle I carry around everywhere to sanitize not only my hands, my phones. If you need to sanitize your shopping cart, that is perfect because you just spray your shopping cart. So you just get a little funnel, or you don't even need a funnel. I'm just trying to make this the easy way. So you just fill it up almost to the top. Now, as for my last recipe, I know I did 12 drops of essential oil on that last video, which is perfectly fine. It made it really potent, and you're like for sure gonna kill everything with that. It is not really necessary. You can just do like 2 or 4 drops. So in this one, I'm just gonna do 2 because I mean, it is pure alcohol. So we're gonna go 1 and 2. You know what? Make it 3. But this essential oil is my thieves oil that I make myself, but you can use any essential oil you have or can find, but make sure it's pure. This one has 5 different essential oils in it, so it's very strong. So you just put your essential oil in there, shake it up, and you spray it on. And that's it. You can, like I said, we sanitize our cell phones, our keys, our hands, shopping cart, you know, where you hold. If you're going to a restaurant, you can spray the table, you know, if you have like kids and stuff. So yeah, this is quick and easy hand sanitizer or surface sanitizer made in literally a few seconds. So as you can see, some of the essential oil is still kind of like, you just got to shake it really good and that's it. And you're good. Alright guys, give me a thumbs up if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.